Hi, welcome to Financial Freedom. Let's dive into today's topic, but before that, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.
Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Technology Group is experiencing a notable downturn, with shares dropping over 21% in today's trading session. This significant selling pressure follows the company's announcement of a 1-for-8 reverse stock split, set to take effect on June 23rd, as part of a broader strategy to improve its market positioning. While reverse splits can sometimes enhance the perception of a stock's price, they often raise concerns among investors regarding the motivations behind such a move. Compounding the situation, KULR's recent performance has been disappointing, stemming from first-quarter earnings that fell short of expectations for both revenue and profits. The company has also been engaged in aggressive share sales to fund Bitcoin acquisitions. Despite increasing its Bitcoin holdings to 800.3 BTC, indicating its ongoing commitment to this volatile asset, recent market reactions have not been favorable. Furthermore, KULR is set to join the Russell 3000 index after the market opens on June 30th, a development that could attract institutional investments in the long term. Currently, approximately 21% of the stock is held by institutional investors, reflecting some level of market confidence. However, the immediate impacts are likely to remain negative due to the drastic decline today and the announcement of the reverse split. In the short term, investor sentiment is expected to stay bearish, which may lead to further price volatility. The long-term effects will depend on KULR's ability to recover from these challenges, manage its operations effectively, and justify its market valuation relative to competitors in the sustainable energy management. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which often presents a compelling buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at 86 cents is breached, it will initially signal a more pronounced decline. The present 3-month trend indicates a potential change of negative 19.36% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 22.30% and positive 33.60%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 42.88%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between 42.88% and 789.27% over the upcoming year. In current terms, this would mean a future price estimate lying between $1.28 and $7.97. The following signals have been identified for KULR Technology Group. Furthermore, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near short-term development. The stock of KULR Technology Group Incorporated currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there's a general sell signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, there will be some resistance from the lines at $1.16 and $1.26. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, and as of now, the stock has declined by 44.31%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Analysts have assigned KULR Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of strong sell. KULR Technology Group Inc. shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak in the upcoming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock.